Hey folks, curious about Python and why it's everywhere? You're in the right spot. We'll cover where it came from, what it does, and why it's a top choice for devs worldwide. Whether you're building websites, automating tasks, or crunching data, Python's got your back. So grab a coffee, and let's dive in. Here are some topics we will cover today. Understanding Python, a versatile programming language. Brief history of Python, popular applications and uses of Python. Comparing Python to other programming languages. Advantages of using Python. Python's syntax is clean, readable, and refreshingly close to human language. You don't need to wrestle with machine-like code, it just makes sense. It's an interpreted language, which means you can run your code line by line. That's perfect for testing, debugging, and learning as you go. And here's a bonus, you don't have to declare variable types. Python figures that out for you, so you can focus on solving problems, not managing data types. Interpreters run your code line by line, perfect for instant feedback and easy debugging. That's why Python feels so friendly when you're testing ideas. Compilers, on the other hand, take your entire codebase and translate it into a fast, standalone file. Languages like C++ and Java use this for speed and efficiency. The trade-off: compiled code can be trickier to debug, since you only see errors after the whole thing's been processed. Python's design is all about clarity and simplicity. Its syntax prioritizes readability, so code looks more like plain English and less like a puzzle. It favors simplicity, helping developers stay productive without getting bogged down in complexity. Python also embraces explicitness, meaning your code's behavior is clear and predictable. And it follows a key philosophy: there should be one obvious way to do things. That encourages clean, consistent coding across teams and projects. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, back in the late 1980s while working at CWI in the Netherlands. He wanted a language that was powerful yet easy to read, something that improved on the ABC language he'd worked with before. And the name, it's not about snakes. Guido was a fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus, the British comedy series. He wanted a name that was short, unique, and a little playful, so Python stuck. From the start, Python's goal was clear: make coding feel less like rocket science and more like common sense. And that philosophy still drives the language today. Python 2.0 dropped in 2000, bringing major upgrades, like list comprehensions, which made code cleaner and faster. Then in 2008, Python 3.0 arrived. It wasn't just an update, it was a reboot. The goal was to fix inconsistencies and modernize the language for the future. But the transition wasn't smooth. Python 2 and 3 aren't compatible, so developers had to update old code, and some systems still run Python 2 even today. The good news: Python keeps evolving. With every release, we get new features, better performance, and fresh tools that keep it sharp and future-ready. One of Python's greatest strengths isn't just the language, it's the community behind it. From hobbyists to professionals, Python's global community is constantly growing, sharing, and supporting one another. Whether you're stuck on a bug or exploring a new library, there's someone out there ready to help. And that's the magic of open source. Python is free to use, free to modify, and powered by people, not corporations. Developers around the world contribute code, fix issues, and push the language forward. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. Learning Python has never been easier. You've got official docs, interactive tutorials, free courses, Discord servers, newsletters, GitHub repos, you name it. Whether you're a total beginner or diving into advanced topics, the resources are out there, and most of them are just a click away. So if you're thinking of joining the Python world, you're not just picking a language, you're joining a movement. One that's open, collaborative, and always evolving. Python's clean syntax and flexibility make it a web developer's dream, whether you're building a simple blog or a massive platform. Django is your full-stack powerhouse, secure, scalable, and loaded with built-in features that help you move fast without reinventing the wheel. Flask, on the other hand, is Django's chill cousin, lightweight, flexible, and perfect for quick builds or when you want full control over your stack. Python has become the go-to language for data science, machine learning, and AI, and it's easy to see why. Its simplicity and versatility let developers focus on solving problems, not wrestling with syntax. And when it comes to tools, Python doesn't disappoint. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn make data analysis and model building fast, efficient, and surprisingly smooth. These libraries take the complexity out of machine learning workflows, so researchers and developers can spend less time on setup and more time on insights. Python isn't just for data and web, it's a powerhouse for automation too. It handles repetitive, time-consuming tasks with ease, boosting productivity across industries, from finance to healthcare to logistics. Its scripting capabilities make it a favorite for software testing. Developers use Python to streamline workflows, catch bugs early, and keep projects running smoothly. And yes, Python even plays games. With tools like Pygame, developers can build interactive, engaging experiences without getting tangled in complex code. Whether you're automating tasks, testing software, or building games, Python makes it all feel surprisingly effortless. Python is all about simplicity. Its clean syntax makes it easy to learn and perfect for rapid prototyping, especially when you want to test ideas fast without getting bogged down in boilerplate. Java, on the other hand, is the heavyweight of enterprise development. It's statically typed, which means more structure and fewer surprises, ideal for building large, scalable systems that need to run reliably for years. Both languages are incredibly popular, but they serve different needs. Python shines in speed and flexibility, while Java delivers stability and long-term performance. Choosing between them isn't about which is better, it's about what your project demands. C++ is all about performance and precision. It gives developers fine-grained control over memory and system resources, perfect for system-level programming like operating systems, game engines, or high-performance apps. Python, on the other hand, is built for simplicity and speed of development. You trade a bit of execution speed for massive gains in productivity and ease of use. So while C++ is your go-to for raw power, Python is your tool for rapid prototyping, automation, and getting things done fast. It's a classic trade-off, control versus convenience. And the right choice depends on what you're building. When it comes to web development, JavaScript and Python each play a starring role, but on different sides of the curtain. JavaScript runs in the browser, powering interactive elements like buttons, animations, and dynamic content. It's what makes websites feel alive and responsive to users. Python, meanwhile, handles the behind-the-scenes magic. It's used on the server side to manage databases, process requests, and deliver content. Frameworks like Django and Flask make it easy to build powerful, scalable backends. Together, they form a dynamic duo, JavaScript for the front-end experience, Python for the back-end logic. One of Python's biggest strengths is how readable it is. The syntax is clean, straightforward, and easy to follow, whether you're just starting out or you've been coding for years. That readability isn't just nice to have, it's a game changer. It helps beginners learn faster, reduces errors, and speeds up development for everyone. Python was designed with accessibility in mind. You don't need to memorize complex rules or boilerplate just to get started. You can focus on solving problems and building cool stuff right away. One of Python's biggest superpowers is its ecosystem. It's packed with libraries and frameworks for just about anything: web development, data science, automation, machine learning, you name it. Need to crunch numbers? There's NumPy. Want to build a website? Try Django or Flask. Automate tasks. Hello, Selenium. The toolbox is deep and constantly growing. And behind all that is a global community that's second to none. Developers, educators, and enthusiasts contribute code, answer questions, write tutorials, and keep the language evolving. Whether you're stuck on a bug or exploring a new idea, there's a forum, a GitHub repo, or a Discord server ready to help. Python isn't just a language, it's a movement powered by people. Python's flexibility is one of its biggest strengths. It runs smoothly across major operating systems, Windows, macOS, Linux, so you can write code once and deploy it anywhere without platform headaches. It's also flexible in how you think. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, procedural, object-oriented, and even functional, so you can choose the style that fits your project best. And when it comes to applications, Python's reach is massive. From web development and data science to automation, and even game development, Python adapts to whatever you throw at it. It's not just a language, it's a toolkit that fits into almost any workflow across industries and platforms. Thanks for sticking around. If this helped, give it a like and hit subscribe. There's plenty more Python magic coming your way. Got thoughts, questions, or spicy takes? Drop them in the comments, I'm all ears. Want to go deeper? Grab the slides and bonus materials from the website to level up your Python game. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep pushing boundaries.